So, do you like to play games but feels a little bit attached to your console with a lot of cables? Let's put them aside. Look what inside this box. The wireless Gamepad. So in this video we're going to take a look at the 2.4 GHz wireless game controller or gamepad. As we can look, it's box. It's quite neat, well represented. Let's open the box. Take a look what's inside. Nice instruction, small manual if you'd like to read. From one side is English, from the other side is Chinese. The gamepad itself, it's packed very well. Comes with a phone holder. Let's get it out of the pack and take a closer look at it. Come with it the 2.4 GHz receiver and the OTG adapter. Usually OTG for your phone or your tablet. Here we connect the 4.2 GHz receiver to the USB to OTG adapter, which is can be connected to your Android phone or your tablet. Keep in mind that this gamepad is compatible with Android or smartphone, TV box, tablet, PC, basically any. The feeling is quite interesting. More or less is quite similar to the original Xbox or PlayStation controller. In a matter of fact, I can tell it's a nice. If you take a look, you can find there are a little bit change in the buttons. The orientation of the buttons is just to avoid the copyright restriction of the Xbox. On this you can find LED to show the operation, power button. So on off. Let's open the battery compartment. It needs a 2 AA battery. I would advise not to use a rechargeable, better alkaline. Let's close the battery box. Turn it around and take a look. Turn it on and we can see, you see the button home, it's actually supposed to be mode. You see there are mode 1 and mode 2, which is basically electronically switch from the left side controller to the right side controller. So basically whatever in your left hand control, it goes to your right hand and right hand to the left hand. It's well known option to turn the left to the right or right to the left, as you prefer to use. The feeling of the buttons are quite nice, really nice. No lagging, no yeah, nice, soft. And for compatibility, you probably have noticed there are 2 buttons, the menu and return. Not heavy, not light, quite solid. I would say with the battery, it's quite nice feeling in the hand. This is the mobile phone holder, which does get attached to the gamepad. The whole idea that you will be able to play Android games on your phone controlled by the gamepad. Call it gamepad, some they call it joystick. We call it gamepad for now. Here, the menu, return. Usually you can program these buttons to according to your phone, the game on your phone. That's how you hold it. Quite nice, yeah, not heavy. Good thing that you can remove it. You can flip the holder down and just turn to be like the attached controller. So if you put your tablet in front of you on a table, or if you play with on a smart TV or something, maybe you will not need it, so you just flip it down or take it off completely. Let me just put it aside. Look, the retail price for this one is from China directly. It's about $10. Really for $10 is quite very, very nice. Can't be skeptical about it. It's really quite nice. Some people they complain about something from China. Let's face it, if you go and buy something for $50, the same one, original one, is for $50. Well, if you have the budget, then $50 is quite. You will get the original, more or less will do the same. For $10, I think it's quite nice. Nice little wireless gamepad. You can free your hand from playing on a phone on a flat LCD, which is really quite annoying. Anyway, I hope you like it. It's not much really to say about more. It's quite really nice. If you like the product, probably will find the link in down there. Okay, give it a thumb up if you like it, or thumb down if you don't like. Okay, see you later in another video. Bye bye.